Hello guys, welcome to Arknote Academy. In today's tutorial, we'll be teaching you on how to place an image in text with Photoshop clipping mask. How to place an image in text with Photoshop clipping mask. So, let's go on. The first thing you need to do is type the word you want to place an image on, so which is T. Just tap on T, like letter T. And that's a short key for text. And if you don't know that of the short key, you can move your cursor and click on this T icon. So we'll be using someone's name, and whosoever bears this name will definitely confirm. So there's a prize for you. So just reply in the comment section and we'll confirm if truly you bear this name. So today we'll be using Shegun. Yeah. Don't forget the purpose of what you want to do. Placing an image on this text with Photoshop clipping mask. So yeah. So after centralizing your word, so the next thing we need to do is bring in the image you want to place on the text. Okay. So you make sure the image you want to use covers the whole word altogether. So double click to cancel the diagonal. Then move your cursor to this place where you have the image and right click. You see create clipping mask. So here we have our image and the text together. Yeah. So you can group them, enlarge. That's that. For today, make sure you save as JPEG, rename it